Yo guys, welcome back with me Yan Mahayana. Sekarang kita kembali lagi memainkan Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Impact. Kemarin Guru Kai sudah tidak ada, dan sekarang kita lanjutkan lagi storynya The Funeral, yaitu pemakaman. Langsung saja kita gaskan. Oke, pemakaman Guru Asuma.
Let's go.
Ready, Shikamaru?
Yeah. Hold it! Where do you think you're going? Your orders still stand. We've assembled a new team, and we're headed out to Not without my approval, you're not. Asuma's dead. There's just the three of you now. The basic unit is a four-man team, without a squad leader. Asuma's still with us. What are you planning? Some kind of vendetta? That's not like you. You really want to throw your lives away? We're not idiots. We don't plan on this being a suicide mission. It's just... Just what? We don't intend to run away from our duty just so we can stay alive. Our lives would have no meaning then. Grow up. The shadow of death hangs over every ninja. Some deaths may be harder to accept than others. And unless you get past that, you have no future as a ninja. Perhaps you didn't hear me. So long as there are only three of you.
But if there are four, then it's all right. Eh, Lady Tsunade?
Kakashi,
I'll take over as leader of Team 10 and go with them. Fair enough?
you...
Don't worry. I won't let them do anything stupid.
Oh, all right. Go ahead.
Thanks. Well, Team 10, shall we get going?
We owe you, Kakashi-sensei. Big time.
Oke, kita dapat map card Kakashi. Bisa milih difficulty hard. Oke, ini kita pakai Guru Kakashi. Langsung saja kita gas. Ini Shikamaru dan yang lainnya ngejar Hidan dan Kakuzu. The battle for revenge. Pertempuran untuk balas dendam.
We're close. We'll probably run into them just a little up ahead.
Now then, this is where it all starts.
Right.
I'll go on ahead. Shikamaru, tell me who I'm looking for.
One of them carries a big scythe. He tends to lose his cool, but he's got a special jutsu that lets him transfer any damage he takes to his opponent.
Oh, that sounds fun.
It seems to take him a while to get it ready, though. It's not something he can use right away.
I see. What about the other one?
I don't know much about him, except he seems highly skilled at using jutsu.
So the bottom line is they're both gonna be tough to deal with.
Yeah, but we've got a shot if we can find their weakness. Everything in this world has a weakness.
True. All right then. Shall we?
We're counting on you, Kakashi-sensei.
Oke, kita pakai Guru Kakashi. Kita lihat kartunya. Semuanya sudah full. Langsung saja kita gaskan.
Let's get started.
Mission start.
Oke, udah tahu.
Found them. The Akatsuki are just ahead.
We read them right then. Everyone stick to the plan.
Wait. Something's wrong here.
An attack! Then they knew we were following them?
No, their formation's wrong. I don't think they're with the Akatsuki.
All the same, we can't drag these guys along with us while we track the other two.
Kakashi-sensei, for now we should...
Right. We'll take care of these small fries before we make contact with the Akatsuki.
By the way, how's Naruto doing? Has he gotten better?
Well, there's still some rough spots, but in some ways, he may have surpassed me.
Wow. Is this the same Naruto?
Take that! How about that? Too weak! Take that! How about that? Too weak! Take that! How about that? Too weak!
Come on. Let's finish these guys off.
Take that! How about that?
What a drag. Seriously.
How about that? Too weak! How about that? Take that! How about that? Too weak! How about that? Hey, they're totally pathetic. I wouldn't even call these guys a snack. Too weak. There it is.
Asuma, watch this.
How about that? Too weak. How about that? Take that. How about that? Too weak. How about that? Take that. How about that? Too weak. Take that. How about that?
Don't give it all you got right away. You could end up paying for it later.
How about that?
They're not half bad. Asuma taught them well.
If these guys were barbecue, it'd be all you can eat. Take that. How about that? Too weak. How about that? Take that. How about that? Too weak. How about
We've
that?
destroyed all their points of origin.
Leave it to Kakashi-sensei.
Take that. How about that? Too weak. How about that? Take that. How about that? Hey, they're totally pathetic. I wouldn't even call these guys a snack. How about that? Too weak. How about that? There it is. There it is.
Don't give it all you got right away. You could end up paying for it later.
Oke, kita sekarang mengejar Hidan dan Kakuzu.
We've fallen a bit behind, but we should run into the enemy soon.
Now for the main event. I need you all to give it everything you've got.
Oke, kita langsung lawan dua orang.
Gluttons for punishment.
What did I tell you? We didn't need to use any cheap tricks.
Here we go. Everyone, keep your guard up.
Right.
You're the brat from before, aren't you? I get it. Out for revenge, huh?
I figure defeating you will help Asuma rest in peace.
All right. Let's finish this now.
That's the plan. Yes.
Oke, kena Kakuzu.
Kakashi Hatake. A worthy opponent.
If you concentrate only on me, you'll get hit from behind.
You jerks! That hurts, you know. Lord Jashi, behold, I give myself, body and soul, to the carnage that is to come.
What are they? Their chakra feels really nasty.
Oke, yang Hidan sudah mati. Sekarang tinggal Kakuzu. Oke, Kakuzu berhasil dikalahkan.
It's been a long time.
So you're immortal too, you monster.
Ini yang susah sih, bener ini yang susah. Lawan Kakuzu versi monster soalnya.
Hang in there. Just hold on.
Ah, nggak bisa di ultimate jutsu.
This one's gonna be hard to handle.
You're stubborn, but it can't go on much longer.
Hang in there. Just hold on.
Oke, kita berhasil mengalahkan Kakuzu yang mode berubah.
Don't think you've won.
Man, is he stubborn.
Mission complete.
We did it, Kakashi-sensei!
They were tough, but we managed.
Ouch. Man. Hey, you're pretty good, aren't they, Kakuzu?
Yes, they surprised me a bit.
Ternyata Kakuzu sama Hidan masih hidup.
No way. But we beat them.
You can't defeat us.
Don't underestimate us, the immortal duo.
Duo zombie ini guys, kalau di versi ceritanya ini. Ya emang serius ceritanya emang dia duo zombie.
These guys off. On top of that, they've got a lot of experience as a team. That's a problem too. Meaning, we'll have to... Kakashi-sensei, let's take them on separately this time.
Divide and conquer, huh?
I'll take one of them. I'll let Kakashi-sensei and you two take the other.
Huh? Divide and conquer? Never gonna work.
You seriously think you'll beat us that way?
I'll take the noisy one. He looks weak anyway. I can take him myself.
What?
What was that, you little... Who looks weak?
You, the guy I'm talking to. Little dogs bark the loudest.
Why, you... Hold up, you! I'm gonna crush you!
Great. What's so great? Separating me and Kakuzu? Big deal.
There's no one to come and help you.
Like I'll need it. I'll be able to finish you off and still have room for dessert.
Kakashi Sensei, Choji, Ino, take care of the other guy. I'll take this guy down even if it kills me.
Honestly, what an idiot. He lets the cheapest taunts get to him.
We're lucky he's so easily manipulated.
But you people are the real idiots for taking Hidan too lightly. In a way, though, the brat made the right call. Separate me and Hidan, then attack me as a group. It was a good strategy. I'll give you that. I'm strong, you see.
Your confidence is impressive.
Your headbands. They remind me of the very first Leaf Ninja I fought. The first Hokage.
First Hokage? Huh? Just how old is this guy anyway?
So you really are immortal? No, not strictly speaking. I can store up to 5 hearts. Unless all 5 are destroyed, I can't be defeated. Do you know why I'm telling you this? Because it's interesting. And it's not as though it will help you any. There's an inevitable, overwhelming difference between your power and mine.
What should we do?
All right. Had enough? I have. I'll be taking your lives now.
Oke, kita berhasil menyelesaikan level. Kita save dulu. Oke, mungkin sekian dulu video kali ini. Sampai jumpa di next video. Bye bye.